Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps crashing. On the application of WhatsApp, you will click on WhatsApp. Then we click on settings. So here, you will go to apps as you see. On above, you will click on this sign and you can search about WhatsApp. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.